Anjana, I'm the associate editor for Asian Voice and Gujarat Samachar. This is Kamal Rao, my colleague. He is the news editor for Gujarat Samachar and Asian Voice. I'm just going to be very briefly talking about what we exactly do in English, but I know there are some mothers who would prefer it in Gujarati, so that will be, so my colleague Kamal Rao here, he would speak in Gujarati, so that all of you know exactly what we do. Okay, so most of you know Gujarat Samachar Asian Voice. It doesn't need any introduction. Our editor, publisher editor, Mr. C.B. Patel, obviously doesn't require any introduction, but he was the one who has been behind Gujarat Samachar Asian Voice, and with him has been, there are two very important women, Saroj Ben and Pushpa Ben, who, Pushpa Ben is CB's wife, who have also contributed quite a bit behind the success of Gujarat Samachar and Asian Voice. And why I'm a bit partial towards them, because Pushpa Aunty is my mother in London. My mother lives in Calcutta, so she can't look after me, or I can't look after her. So whatever I need, whatever I have to go and ask for, I usually run to Pushpa Aunty, and she's my mother in London. And so I'm really partial towards her. And I don't know if she's around. She was in the dinner room, but hopefully she'll be here and I'll be able to sing Happy Mother's Day to her. Asian Voice Gujarat Samachar has been around for 45 years, as I just said. And we, besides the newspaper, which obviously covers quite a bit about community and also business, there have been questions about the importance of ethnic news weekly or any sorts of print newspapers for some time now. But to be frank, with social media like WhatsApp, Facebook, and other things so popular at the moment, there are questions about the importance of such community newspapers. But let me say, there's always a role of these newspapers which is there and going to be there. First, because the role changes. There's always a metamorphosis. Before, it was just the angst or any sort of issues of the people. Now, even if it's something to do with business, like a small business, it wants its voice to be heard by our MPs, peers, lords, or any of the decision makers. Asian Voice is the place. So the role changes, but the importance of the newspaper is there and will always be there. There are many theme-based magazines that we produce as well. Different issues. We recently did a magazine called Shanti Magazine, which was very, very popular, and we have got lots of feedback about that magazine. There are community-based magazines like we have British Punjabis, British Tamils, British Gujaratis. We're also going to do a British Bengali magazine for the first time. And we have other magazines like accountancy, pharmacy, and we also do 2 award ceremonies. One is rather 3 award ceremonies. One is the Asian Voice Political and Public Life Awards, which happens in the Parliament. Anybody can be nominated as long as they are part of the political and public life. It doesn't have to be Asian. Then we have Asian Voice Charity Awards, which happens in summer, and that is any charity organization can nominate themselves, of course. And then we have the Asian Achievers Awards, which is any Asian under the 10 categories that we have. They can nominate themselves, and you will hear more about it from our CEO, hopefully shortly. Besides that, there are some community events that we do. One is Vadil Sanman, which is for people who are elderly, mostly more than 80 years. I would say people who are in their second childhood and enjoying it the best. And there are 600 people who have already been awarded so far. Then we have Shravan Sanman. These are people who do great services to their parents. I mean, we always hear so many stories of people who have their parents in care homes, and people who have their parents living somewhere else because they can't take care of their parents. But there are so many people who also actually give up what they do or what they used to do and look after their parents, and they definitely need some encouragement for the services they provide to their parents. And that's who we award. And then we have Saraswati Sanman. Saraswati Sanman is whoever have done well in A-level or GCSE. They are given an award for sort of encouraging them to do better. And and there is a cut-off criteria. All the details are there in our newspaper. You can have a look. That's all from me in English, and I would request my colleague Kamal Rao to say the same thing in Gujarati so that the mothers who haven't understood what I said could be explained better. Thank you very much.
નમસ્તે, જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ સર્વને. માતાને સમજાવવાની કદાચ જરૂર ના પડે, કારણ કે માતાએ આપણને આખી દુનિયા સમજાવી છે. તમે નાના હો, ચાલતા ના આવડતું હોય, ખાતા ના આવડતું હોય, ધોતા ના આવડતું હોય, એ માં કરે છે તમારા માટે. એટલે આજનો જે કાર્યક્રમ છે માતૃવંદના, हमारा फादर फिगर को, मार्गदर्शक को, गाइड को, जे समाचार में आप बधा देखो छो, बधाने बधा लोग ओळखे छे सीबी पटेल ने, जुदी जुदी रीते ओळखता हशे. आ कार्यक्रमનો विचार बी सीबी ने આવ્યું કે આપણે એક કાર્યક્રમ કરીએ માતૃવંદના. એવું નથી કે માતાનું સ્થાન આપણા ઘરમાં નથી, પણ સમય સંજોગો, નવી જનરેશન, જૂની જનરેશન, એમાં કોઈક જગ્યાએ ભૂલાઈ જાય ને મધર ડે આવે ત્યારે યાદ રહે. પણ આજે માતૃવંદના કાર્યક્રમના અંતર્ગત અમે ગુજરાત સમાચાર એશિયન વોઇસ તરફથી લંડનની, બ્રિટનની, સમસ્ત દુનિયાની સર્વે માતાઓને વંદન કરીએ છીએ. એ કાર્યક્રમના ભાગરૂપે અમે એક મેગેઝિન પ્રસિદ્ધ કરશું આજે, અને એનું વિમોચન પણ થશે. આપણી પાસે થોડા અગ્રણી છે, એ લોકો થોડીક સ્પીચ, બહુ નહીં, જે આપણને મુખ્ય કાર્યક્રમમાં વિક્ષેપ નહીં આપે. પણ ગુજરાત સમાચાર એશિયન વોઇસ જનરલી જર્નલિસ્ટ છું ને છેલ્લા 26-27 વર્ષથી ન્યૂઝપેપર ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીમાં કામ કરું છું પત્રકાર તરીકે. મેં ભાગ્ય જેવા ન્યૂઝપેપર જોયા છે કે જે ન્યૂઝપેપર રિયલ સાચા અર્થમાં કોમ્યુનિટી વર્ક કરતા હોય, સમાજની સેવા કરતા હોય, સમુદાયની સેવા કરતા હોય, લોકોની તકલીફો, મુશ્કેલીઓ જાણતા હોય અને એમને હેલ્પફુલ થતા હોય. ઓસીઆઈના ઇશ્યુઝ હોય કે પીઆઈઓના ઇશ્યુઝ હોય કે ડાયરેક્ટ લાઇટના ઇશ્યુઝ હોય, ગુજરાત સમાચાર સદાય 24/7 તત્પર રહે કે તમને કંઈ તકલીફ ના પડવી જોઈએ, વાચકોને કંઈ તકલીફ ના પડવી જોઈએ. વાચકો પરત્વે જે સમર્પણ, સેવા અને સદભાવ સીબીના અને અમારા સૌના મન અને હૃદયમાં છે, એના ભાગરૂપે વિવિધ કાર્યક્રમો કરે છે. રૂપાંદાબેને ડિટેલમાં સમજાવ્યું છે, હું થોડું ટૂંકમાં કહીશ કે જે ખરેખર આપણા સમુદાયને અસર કરે છે અને અસર થવી જોઈએ એવા ઇશ્યુઝ છે. આજથી ઓલમોસ્ટ 6 વર્ષ પહેલાં 2011માંથી અમે વડીલ સન્માનનું એક ચાલુ કર્યું હતું. એ કાર્યક્રમ અંતર્ગત 85 યર્સ, 85 વર્ષથી ઉપરના વડીલો જે જસ્ટ ઘરમાં એક ફોટો ફ્રેમથી વિશેષ ના હોય, જે ગુજરી ગયા હોય ફોટો ફ્રેમના સ્વરૂપે હોય અને જે જીવતા હોય એ બેડમાં પડ્યા હોય, અમે એમને એક ગરિમા આપવાનું, એક એમને થોડુંક જે જીવે છે એમાં થોડુંક બળ આપવાનું નક્કી કર્યું અને અમે વડીલ સન્માનનો કાર્યક્રમ કર્યો. જસ્ટ કશું જ નહીં, બધાની બર્થડે થાય, બધાના મધર્સ ડે થાય, બધાની મેરેજ એનિવર્સરી થાય, એ વડીલોનો કોઈ કાર્યક્રમ નહોતો. અને એ કાર્યક્રમ અંતર્ગત અમે વડીલોના સન્માન કરીએ છીએ. અને સદનસીબે અમે અત્યાર સુધીમાં 600 વડીલોને સન્માનવાનું નહીં પણ એમના આશીર્વાદ મેળવવા માટે સહભાગી થયા છે, સદનસીબ થયા છે. બીજો જે એવો કાર્યક્રમ હતો શ્રવણ સન્માન. દરેક સંતાનને પોતાના મા બાપ બહુ જ વાલા હોય, એટલા વાલા હોય કે એમને એવું થાય કે અમે શું કરીએ મારા મા બાપ માટે. ઘણા લોકો કોઈ કારણસર ના કરી શકતા હોય, પણ વધારે ને વધારે લોકો પોતાના માતા પિતાની સેવા કરે, એમને પ્રેરણા મળે, સેવા કરવાની પ્રેરણા મળે, એના માટે અમે શ્રવણ સન્માન કાર્યક્રમનું આયોજન કર્યું હતું. જે લોકો માતા પિતાની બહુ સરસ સેવા કરે છે એ લોકોને અમે પસંદ કર્યા, અથવા તો બીજા લોકોએ એમને નોમિનેટ કર્યા એમના નામ, અને એમનું અમે સન્માન કર્યું. કાર્યક્રમનો જે હેતુ હતો, જે ઉદ્દેશ હતો, એક જ હતો કે લોકોને પ્રેરણા મળે અને જે કરે છે એને વધારે કરવાનું બળ મળે, એ આશયથી કર્યો. ત્રીજો એક કાર્યક્રમ હતો સરસ્વતી સન્માન. આપણી નવી પેઢી આજે આખા યુકેમાં ટોપ પર છે. કોઈ પણ ભારતીય, કોઈ પણ એશિયન સેવા નહીં હોય કે જે વિવિધ પ્રોફેશનમાં અગ્રેસર ના હોય. પણ જ્યારે બાળક હોય GCSEમાં કે લેવલમાં ભણતું હોય, અને આ દેશ એવો નથી ઇન્ડિયા જેવું કે ચાલી સ્કૂલમાં ટોપ આવ્યો તો સ્કૂલ સન્માન કરે ને બીજું કરે, તો અમે એવા બાળકોનું સન્માન કર્યું. રફલી પૈસા ડિક્લેર નહીં કરવા જોઈએ, પણ અમે 15,000 પાઉન્ડ એવા સ્ટુડન્ટ્સને એક નોટ બર્સરી પણ એક ઇનામ તરીકે, પ્રોત્સાહક ઇનામ તરીકે એનાયત કરીએ છીએ. પાર્લામેન્ટમાં એનો કાર્યક્રમ થાય અને કમનસીબે અમને બહુ જ ઓછા રિસ્પોન્સીસ પબ્લિક તરફથી મળે છે. કાં તો કોઈને ગુજરાત સમાજ એશિયન વોઇસ બંધાવ્યું ના હોય એટલે ખબર ના હોય, અને જેણે ના બંધાવ્યું એને આજે વિનંતી કરીશ કે તમે આજે આવા સારા કામોમાં સહભાગી થવા, તમને પોતાને જાતે સમાચાર મળે એના માટે સબસ્ક્રિપ્શન કરજો. રાગીણીબેન અહીંયા છે, ગુજરાત સમાચાર એશિયન વોઇસના ઓલમોસ્ટ આખી ટીમ અહીંયા છે, તમે કોઈ પણને સંપર્ક કરી શકશો. એશિયન એચીવર્સ એવોર્ડ, એશિયન વોઇસ ચેરિટી એવોર્ડ આપ ગુજરાત સમાચારમાં વાંચો છો. બંને આપણા જ લોકોને બિરદાવતા કાર્યક્રમો છે, એવોર્ડ સેરેમનીઝ છે, એમાં જોડાજો. આજે આપણે સૌ 10-1 વાગ્યા સુધી આ હોલની પરમિશન હોય છે, એટલે 10 ના 10:15 હશે તો ચાલશે, પણ બહુ નહીં. પણ આ કાર્યક્રમને આનંદથી માણજો. જરૂર જણાય તો જોડાજો. ઉજવણીમાં એવું છે કે તમે જોડાવ તો વધારે મજા આવે, અને ના જોડાવને ખાલી મુખ બેસી રહો તો બધીથી વિશેષ ના હો. તો સૌને નમસ્તે, જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ. હું પાર્વતીબેન નાયરને વિનંતી કરીશ કે તેઓ પ્રાર્થના રજૂ કરે.
Pranam to all mothers. Without them, we would not have been able to come into this level in everybody's life. That contribution is incomparable. Whether they are there with us or not, that lineage throughout, as long as each one of us are on the earth, that continues. To greet those mothers, a little prayer from my side. ध्यायामो धवलावकुण्ठनवतीं तेजोमयीं नैष्टिकीं स्निग्धापाङ्गविलोकिनीं भगवतीं मन्दस्मितश्रीमुखीं वात्सल्यामृतवर्षिणीं सुमधुरं सङ्गीर्तनालापिनीं श्यामाङ्गीं मधुसिक्तसूक्तिम् अमृतानन्दात्मिकाम् ईश्वरीम् अम्मे नारायणा, देवी नारायणा, लक्ष्मी नारायणा, भद्रे नारायणा.
થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ પાર્વતીબેન, આપનો ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર. ભવન ઘણી બધી રીતે આપણી સંસ્થાઓને ઉપયોગી થઈ પડે છે, એમાંના આ એક વિશેષ કાર્યક્રમ માતૃભૂમિનો છે. આપણા શાસ્ત્રોમાં, આપણા કલ્ચરમાં, આપણી સંસ્કૃતિમાં, આપણા ઘરમાં માતાનું વિશેષ મહત્ત્વ છે. આપણા શાસ્ત્રોમાં જે માતાનું વિશેષ મહત્ત્વ છે એ વિશે હું ડૉક્ટર નંદકુમાર, ભારતીય વિદ્યાભવનના ડાયરેક્ટર્સ અને વર્ષો સુધી આ સંસ્થામાં ખૂબ જ સેવા આપનાર શ્રી નંદકુમાર સાહેબને વિનંતી કરીશ કે તેઓ આપણને શબ્દો કહે.
Namaste. First time today I will start because it's Matru Vandana Day. My ladies, lords and friends. It's a unique occasion. I'm so grateful to Shri Simi Patel for choosing Bhavan to hold this event in front of such august audience. In our Vedas, we have such beautiful statements which extol the greatness of one's mother and the universal mother. The very first mantra is Matrudevo Bhava. Then only you have got Pitrudevo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava, Atithi Devo Bhava. The first one is Matrudevo Bhava. Consider your mother as God personified. Today we are all here to pay our tributes to this Devi, mother, all our mothers. We will never be able to repay the debt we owe to our mothers. Why a country is called Matrubhumi, Bharat Mata? Because it's the mother who brings up children, make sure that they grow up healthy, take care of them, and help them to develop a sense of sacrifice in their lives. The role of a mother is something so unique. She is Yajna personified. In Vedas, we come across the word Yajna. Yajna means sacrifice. It's not just what we offer to Agni. Yajna is when we are able to convert every action of ours into a selfless action. That becomes Yajna. In this way, mother's life is Yajna personified, friends. We are all here to pay our respects to such mothers who have made it possible for all of us to come here and be part of this wonderful, wonderful evening, be part of this world. Shankara, one of the greatest acharyas, the propounder of Advaita philosophy, says, Kuputro jayeta kumata nabhavati. A bad son, maybe. A bad mother, never. A sannyasin who performs his own shraddha is not allowed to perform shraddha to anybody, not even to his father and mother. But Shankara's mother says, if you take sannyas, tomorrow who will perform my final rites, shraddha? Because you are a sannyasi, you cannot come back. So who says I cannot come back? The Shastra says, I will break all the rules for a mother. Nobody can stop me. Nobody could stop Shankara, because he said, for a mother, you can break all these rules of Shastra. We can rewrite them. That's how he brought the very force of mother into all our Shastras, friends. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Matru Rupena Samstita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. Matra in Sanskrit, in our language, Mata means that which is connected with words also. She is the one who helps us to even open our mouth, utter words, and that's how we start understanding the world. A mother feeds us. Whether we are angry, whether we cry, whether we are smiling, she is always there, available to help us to grow, to imbibe that which is good. We can never repay the debt. That's why in our Shraddha, in our Vedic ceremony, you have to give 16 different offerings to one's mother for taking care of us when we were little ones, for cleaning us whenever we have done something, for making sure that we ate a particular thing, for making sure that we did the right thing in our life. Like this, there are so many different aspects of life in which only a mother has been next to us, no one else. For that, we should be eternally grateful to the universal mother, to all our mothers, to the universal mother. Gange cha Yamune chaiva Godavari, Saraswati, Narmade, Sindhu, Kaveri, Jalesmin, Sannidhim Kuru. In our puja, we offer first time when we start puja after Ganesha, a prayer to Mother Goddess in a Kalasha, because she is the very source of creation. You are Ganga, you are Yamuna, you are Sindhu, you are Kaveri, you are Godavari. To you we offer our prayers, Mother. Without you, there is no creation. Sarva Mangala Mangalye, Shive Sarvartha Sadhike, Sharanye Trambike Devi, Narayani Namostute. Namatu Paradaivatam. There is no greater deity than one's mother. I am so grateful to Sri CV and to all of you who have come here to pay our tributes to our mothers, to the universal mother, Bhumata, Matrubhumi, to all our mothers. Let's all say together, Matru Devo Bhava. Namaste.
Thank you very much, Nandaji. May I request our Lord Ghadia to say a few words? Please.
Thank you, Kamal, and a very good evening to everyone. When CB first shared with me his plans for this evening's Matru Vandana, it really warmed my heart. So I'm genuinely touched and honored to be part of today's special celebration, which coincides with Mother's Day. And I just learned that it also coincides with CB's 80th birthday, according to... And behind CB's longevity and success is the Shakti of two very important, powerful women, Pushpaben and Sarojben. And please give them a round of applause. In fact, my congratulations to the entire team at Asian Voice and Gujarat Samachar, conceiving and executing such an important and noble event. Just think about it. When we want to respect something important, it is often prefixed by the word mother, as our respected Nandaji said. Mother Earth, Mother India, Mother Ganga, Mother Teresa. And this week especially, we should also remember the Mother of Parliaments in Westminster. On Wednesday, along with many colleagues, I was locked down in Parliament for almost 6 hours. This unnerving and harrowing experience certainly brought things into perspective. As people were anxiously inquiring about my safety, who did they call? Yes, my mother, Hansa. And I'm delighted to say that she is in the audience with us today. And tonight, we should pause for a moment and send out from this pub our thoughts and prayers for the victims and families of that dastardly attack on democracy. Today of all days, the mother, wife, and daughter of the brave police constable Keith Palmer must be feeling an irreplaceable loss. And all of us, the entire British Indian and British Hindu community, stand shoulder to shoulder in their hour of grief. Returning to today, it has been a privilege to contribute to the special publication which we are launching this evening, and it allows me to pay my own personal tributes. As I was writing my contribution, it occurred to me that having recently celebrated International Women's Day, that our Hindu scriptures provide the first true example of gender balance. They give due prominence to the three Devi of Saraswati, Lakshmi, and Parvati. all three goddesses being partners to the Holy Trinity of Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva, in creating, maintaining, and regenerating the universe. I count myself highly fortunate to have a similar domestic trinity at home in my mother Hansaben, my wife Anjali, and daughter Priyana. What is more remarkable is that they match exactly the virtues of the Three Devi as spiritual guardians of knowledge, wealth, and devotion, respectively. Mothers give up so much so that their children can have so much. This is certainly true of my own mother, who has made countless sacrifices so that both my brother Ketan and I could achieve our full potential. Apart from their unconditional love, the most precious gift they impart is their wisdom and values. For my mother Hansaben, this noble trait is very much part of her DNA, inherited from my maternal grandfather, Girdalal Sangani, who served as headmaster of the Aga Khan School and Chopra Secondary School in Mwanza in Tanzania. This inspired her to train as a Montessori teacher, and she became one of the first qualified professionals in this innovative method of nursery education in East Africa. Coming from a traditional family, there was always some debate with my mother's parents about how best to balance a professional career with being a future homemaker. Fortunately, my maternal grandmother, Rambaben Sangani, was a social organizer par excellence, who reveled in feeding people and advising family and friends about traditional customs and rituals. As a result, my mother benefited from both the yin and the yang of academic education and practical homemaking. After our arrival in Britain from Uganda, my mother has continued to use these skills in a voluntary capacity for over 40 years to teach children at Sunday religious classes every week run by the Satya Sai organization known as Balvikas, which provides both Hindu and multi-faith education to thousands of children across the UK. Mahatma Gandhi said that the Gita is not only my Bible or my Quran, it is more than that, it is my mother. Similarly, a guru in Hinduism occupies a special position. In fact, there is no other tradition where gurus are treated with such respect. For me, my mother, Hansaben, is both the Gita and Guru rolled into one. A truly modern-day Saraswati. It is also interesting to note that the earliest known mention of Saraswati is in the Rig Veda, the oldest living scripture, which I used to take my oath of allegiance to Her Majesty the Queen when I was introduced to the House of Lords last September. It seems that I am blessed by Saraswati's guiding light at every turn. In the same way that my mother made sacrifices for her children, my wife is now totally devoted to raising our own children, Priyana and Dev. In time, I hope that my daughter will be blessed with this privilege too. And so the circle of life, which our Hindu Trinity symbolizes, will come round once again. My friends, mothers are truly eternal. So once again, I would like to commend my long-standing mentor, C.B. Patel, and everyone at Asian Voice and Gujarat Samachar for celebrating Matru Vandana in such a meaningful way. In doing so, I am delighted to offer this humble contribution in the hope of being a worthy son, husband, and father to the trio of women in my life. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Lord Jitesh Bhai. Now I'm requesting our MP from Ealing South Hall, Mr. Virendra Sharma. Please. Virendra Bhai also wrote an article in the magazine about his mother. Please, Virendra.
Friends, my lords, ladies and gentlemen, I still stick to the traditions. It's a great honor and a privilege to be here this evening to to celebrate Mother's Day. It's emotional for me because I lost my mom nearly 38 years ago. She was young, I was young too that time. 38 years, long time. The memories of her sacrifice is still there. Mother is mother. I don't think I need to explain to you, to the mothers, to the sons, the daughters, who are now the mothers, to see, watch, and think the pain they are going through. So you don't need to, I don't need to say my mother. My sisters are here, who are now the mothers. They can think themselves, the sons, I'm a son of my mother, but I'm a father of my daughter, and a grandfather of my daughter. So it means that I don't want to go through that. But one thing I wanted to share with you, like somebody has, a poet has written, which I was just trying to remember when you think, sit there, start to go back into the past, early days memories. Usko nahi dekha humne, uski zarurat kya hogi. ए माँ, तेरी सूरत से अलग भगवान की सूरत क्या है? तो हमारे ऋषि मुनि, our forefathers, all the publications of the books, holy books, they all say माँ भगवान का रूप है. तो इसलिए we all believe in that. But there's little difference. My sisters who are born here, brought up in the Western society, have the privileges of the modern world. And the life of my mother, which I spent in a small village where I was born, some of you may have seen, watched in the TV, in the films and other places, the life in a small village, where now I would say 100 years ago. You can just imagine, but I have seen it. No electricity, no gas, no transportation system, no telephones, no smartphones, nothing at all. You're living in a village, serving the family, where most of the women at that time, I don't know, in South India or in Gujarat, forget about Uganda, and you had the privileges life there, whether my mother was not educated, she never went to the school. So she came from that background. My father was a dentist by profession, but became politician before 1940. So you can imagine a politician's life. Wife at the age of 17, 18, gave the birth to the first child, then produced another 7 plus 8 children, including my son, and looking after them. So I take you through my mother's sacrifices through that. You can imagine in that village how she looked after those children. Every mother, and now you have those privileges, having a little separate bed, or maybe a child of the age of 4 weeks put into a separate room. The mothers, and then you have the nappies and all those modern things. Those who may remember that there was no such thing, Lord, my Lord. No nappies, nothing at home. Piece of cloth put on the child. All the dirt, wetness with them. When the clothes are wet, the mother puts the child on a dry piece and sleep on the wet piece. My mother used to get up 4 o'clock in the morning, prepare everything for the rest of the day. Breakfast, making sure the children are woken up at the time. My father and other members of the family looked after. I mean, there was a support from the other members of the family, but she was the lead in that. So when my eldest sister, Bimla, which I wrote in a piece, when she was 4 years old, my mother was so determined and committed that I don't want my daughter to go through. That time she never knew that she will have 6, 7 children. She only had 3 at that. That she did not want her own daughter to go through the same difficulties which she went through. And in my village, in my area, still it's known. My mother hired a teacher from the next village to Sanskara, paid from her own pocket to open a school in the village, which was recognized in 1949. My sister was the first female. We had the school, boys' school. My sister was the first female member in the village who went to the school, then later on went to the university, then went to the teaching training course, and start teaching in the village. And now we have the recognized school up to the graduation level. So my mother had that vision. So that's why we feel proud. And I think everybody needs to feel proud. The sacrifices and the contributions made by any mother, whether you are the privileged mother or a poor mother. The mother is the mother. And I pay tribute not only to my mother alone, but all those mothers who gave the birth to the human beings to make sure that we have a society which is peaceful. No mother teaches you that go and become an evil person, whether you're a woman or a girl or a boy. No mother teaches. If the mother teaches you that, then she is not a mother. Mothers never teaches you that to become an evil person. Mothers wanted you to do the best. No mother will say to yourself, yes, of course, if you do best for yourself, you will do best for others. They always say, go and serve the society. And I feel proud to be amongst many mothers and sisters who will be mothers later, to be here. So that we can take that message. Without a woman, even Lord Ram and Lord Krishna would not have them. So we need mothers. We need to pay respect to mothers. We, as Lord have said already, that we are celebrating women's celebration to the society. But under the Mother's Day, many other International Women's Day. But one thing is that unless we start paying respect to the most important human being in the world, the woman and the mother, which is the mother. I'm thankful to CB when he asked me to come. As I said earlier on, that is for me very emotional. I was in the mandir this morning in Hansro. There was another mother who was celebrating 80th birthday on the Mother's Day, and I was definitely paying my respect, and I'm sure others as well. So I was so grateful to CB and the team to giving me the opportunity. At least I could share my thoughts. At the same time, I can remember my mother the way I wanted to. Thank you very much.
Sharma ji, may I request Dr. Remy Ranger for a few words.
Dr. Madhu Kumar ji, C.B. Patel ji, distinguished guests, Vrinda Sharma ji, Lord Radia, and distinguished mothers, sisters, brothers, everyone, happy Mother's Day. Do you want me to speak in English or do you want me to speak in Hindi? Gujarati is a bit difficult for me. Yes? Anyone? Okay. Hindi चलेगी? Hindi. Why we are all here? आज हम यहाँ हैं अपनी माँ को श्रद्धांजलि भेंट करने के लिए we are here. Someone कि जिसके साथ हमारा relationship 9 months before anybody else begins. हमारा रिश्ता अपनी माँ के साथ 9 महीने पहले शुरू होता है before. और वो कहते हैं हमारा सभ्यता हिंदुस्तान का सभ्यता जिसमें औरत को देवी भी बनाया, पूजा भी करते हैं और we celebrate lady, we treat them very well. It's all about vision. आज जो हम बात करने जाएंगे ये विजन के बारे में. I'm going to talk to you. मैं मिक्स करूँगा हिंदी इंग्लिश. So it's all about vision. कि how people with vision can progress and achieve a great deal. I remember when we used to have Lord Rama on T-shirt, Lord Rama on carrier bag, जूते, टॉयलेट सीट के ऊपर Lord Rama, Lord Krishna पिक्चर आती शुरू हो गई. तो C.V. Patel and we were few of us. Arjun Bhai Vakiria, he is no longer with us, but his legacy will always be with us. And few of us we got together. I said, look, people do not know about Hindu religion because you're too peaceful, you're too quiet, and nobody takes notice. So we're going to do something. So we organized, first time ever anywhere in the world, a Hindu ball. And luckily I was the chairman of that ball, and it was one of the best events in my life when we could celebrate Hindu religion and its contribution in enriching British commercial life, cultural life, social life, you name it. But at that time, we were not enriching the political life which we are now with Lord Guardian. So now we are enriching the political life as well because we were quite a few. Patel is the Secretary of State. So that event changed everything, perception of people. And you don't see anyone now carrying Lord Rama on their T-shirt or carrying it back. If they do, let me know. We'll put them in their place because they have no idea about the importance of our diet. So therefore, something we have to do, and this is tonight is all about vision. I'm going to talk to you about vision. My father was a prominent police inspector with the British police. We're talking about 1947. Again, vision of leader. They were British, at that time they were Hindus, Muslims and Sikhs. So they had vision. Each one of them had a vision. So British wanted to divide India on the basis of religion. So they talked to the Sikh leaders. They said, no, we don't want to be divided. Because of the vision, they know my father was at that time very active. Anyway, he was a police inspector. One day he was asked to open fire on unarmed protester in a place called Sargodha, which he refused, and he was punished. He was posted to Afghan, where he resigned and became an activist. He realized the British policy was that they wanted to, after having divided us and ruled us, now they want to divide and run. And he said, I'm going to warn my countrymen, don't to cut and run. So he advised Master Tara Singh, don't create country on the basis of hatred for others. Because when you create something, you know, we've been living for centuries together, we have culture together, we have language together, food, everything. history together. So Hindu leader also said we will have a united country, India. But unfortunately, the vision of one leader changed the destiny of so many, and we were on the other side. 1 million people died, 15 million people became refugee, and among them was my family. My father was assassinated because he was against the partition of India, because he used to give a lot of lectures that India is not a shop, you can divide between families, India is a motherland. माँ को तोड़ के कोई बच्चा चैन से नहीं रहेगा. आज तुम you are united for a wrong cause. When the cause is not there, you will turn on each other. आज जो गलत बंदे इकट्ठे होते हैं, the wrong thing, they only get together to do the wrong. जब काम खत्म हो जाता है, फिर एक दूसरे को मारते हैं. And what he said 70 years ago, आज मेरे father का statue लगा हुआ है अमृतसर. His picture in the Golden Temple of Amritsar. I'm very proud. Every year there is a lecture, memorial lecture in his name, that he stood for India unity, harmony, and religious tolerance, which will be pretty represented. Now I'm talking to you about the vision. So he had a vision. For his vision he stood, and I'm so proud of him that he died for a cause. Now my mother, she became widow at the age of 35. Many of you have children more than 35 years old. And in those days, there were large families. You just heard from Vinitaji. We were 8 children. I am a posthumous child who was born 2 months after the assassination of my father. So मैं 2 महीने के बाद पैदा हुआ, मैंने अपने father को नहीं देखा. So now my mother is now 35 years old. 14 से लेके 2 महीने का बच्चा, मैं तो anyway, सारे रिश्तेदारों ने कहा कि इन बच्चों को यतीम खाने डाल दो ऑर्फनेज में, तो कैसे लगे, तू यंग है, तू और आदमी ले लेना, ये करना वो करना पड़ा. उन्होंने कहा कि कैसे. नाउ क्योंकि पार्टीशन हो गई, रेफ्यूजी हो गए, वी केम टू इंडिया बिकॉज वी वर नाउ persona non grata in our own country on the basis of religion. We all know religion is a force for good. It is to unite people, but unfortunately those people use the religion to divide mankind. So now विजन की बात. नौ पता लगा कि हिंदू सिखों के घरों को अटैक कर रहे हैं, बड़ा बुरा कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि स्मैश एंड ग्रैब शुरू हो गया, लूट मार शुरू हो गई है. तो मेरी माँ ने क्या किया, जब लोग सब अपनी ज्वेलरी, कपड़े, अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें इकट्ठी कर रही थी, मेरी माँ ने मेरे बाप के जितने प्रेस कटिंग थी, न्यूज़पेपर कटिंग, सर्टिफिकेट, उसके जो भी उसकी अच्छे चीज़ थी, उसने वो एक बैग में डाला कि मैं वहाँ जाऊँगी, क्या बताऊँगी मैं कौन थी, क्या हो गई. यस, तो वो बैग इतना सारा लेके हम आए, और रिफ्यूजी ट्रेन वाज वेरी फुल ऑफ पीपल. एक के ऊपर एक आदमी सवार था, एंड पीपल वर हैंगिंग फ्रॉम वेयरएवर दे कुड. मौत किसी को प्यारी नहीं होती, सब भाग रहे थे. तो मेरी माँ, मैं गोदी में हूँ 2 महीने का, आप भी करें इमेजिन, भाग रही है, और जहाँ भी देखिए पीपल आर ऑन टॉप ऑफ ईच अदर. देन इन द एंड वो इंजन के पास, ड्राइवर के पास आई, तो उसने अब उसका हैंडल पकड़ लिया, भाई मुझे हेल्प करो. तो कहता क्या करो, कहते मुझे, मैं ऊपर आई कांट गेट ऑन द ट्रेन, मेरी हेल्प करो. तो कहता बहन जी देखो मैं कैसे कर सकता. उन्होंने फिर मेरे फादर का नाम दिया, मैं उनकी वाइफ हूँ, मेरे फादर रेपुटेशन से. ओ कहता अच्छा, वो तो बहुत अच्छे इंसान थे. यू नो, so many of you know I work a lot for the community. As you saw Hindu Ball, I was also first time ever anywhere in the world, I brought the Pakistanis together to celebrate. I said, घर बन गए हैं, मार कुटाई बंद करो. But in that department, unfortunately, I will keep on trying, but success is not looking good. But I will keep on trying. Hope against you कि इनको कराए कि भैया देखो, let's not put innocent people to death unnecessarily. So anyway, so he was moved. So देखो मैं क्या करूँ. तो there is always good people in life जो आपकी help करते हैं. You have to find them. So मेरे उसने सोच के क्या था, if you don't mind, मेरी कोल टेंडर होता है जहाँ कोले रखते हैं इंजन में, जहाँ वो कोला रखते हैं, तो वहाँ बैठ. एक माँ है जो प्रॉफिट को पैदा करती है और राजू को पैदा करती है. तो जो आदमी माँ औरत की इज्जत नहीं करेंगे सोसाइटी में, दुनिया में, I can tell you they will never enjoy this kind of culture.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. નાનો હતો જે કહેવા જાઉં છું એના પછી કદાચ બંધ થઈ જશો અને મારે એટલું જ કહેવું છે કે હું નાનો હતો ત્યારે મારા મધરે મને એક વસ્તુ બહુ સરસ શીખવી હતી કે કોઈને માની સામે ગળ ના બોલતો. કારણ એટલું જ કે તારે પણ માં છે અને એને પણ માં છે. જ્યારે આજે આપણે માતૃવંદનાની વાત કરીએ છીએ, મધર્સ ડે સેલિબ્રેશનની વાત કરીએ છીએ, રેમીભાઈ જે વાત કરતા હતા એ એક મધરની વાત હતી, કદાચ થોડી લાંબી હતી. જો મને ને તમને આજે મધરની વાત જો થોડીક કોઈ લાંબી કરે ને ના ગમતું હોય તો મને હું માફી ચાહું છું બધા વતી. આજે આપણે હવે કોઈ સ્પીચ રાખવી નથી, મને પણ નથી ગમતી સ્પીચો, મને પણ ગમે સંગીત, પણ જ્યારે મધર્સ ડેનું સેલિબ્રેશન થતું હોય, જે વસ્તુ સાંભળવા માટે આપણે પૈસા ચૂકવતા હોઈએ એ વસ્તુ આજે આપણે બધા સાથે મળીને સેલિબ્રેટ કરવા આવે છે, તો થોડીક ધીરજ. માએ જો 9 મહિના આપણને સાચવવાની ધીરજ રાખી હોય તો આપણે કોઈની 4 મિનિટના રસ સાંભળીએ વધારે. હું છેલ્લે બહુ ટૂંકમાં બોલે અને આપણે બાકીની કસર મારી પૂરી કરશે. થેન્ક યુ.
I will speak in English because I think there are few who do not understand Gujarati. First of all, thank you very much for that. Thank you. I hope it is clear now. I was saying that thank you for coming. What was a personal sentiment to thank my mother turned out in a big festival. So thank you for coming. Thank you, Mahavan. I genuinely believe that you have heard enough about mothers. At least you know about it. So I don't have to repeat, but let me say 2 things. It's the end of the formal part. We have carefully, Kamal and his colleagues have planned so well. At least you are likely to have 2 hours straight from Mayaben in beautiful melodious voice. Perhaps you may not know that she is one of the best Sugam Sangeet singer from Gujarat and Western India. So many awards, including Gujarat Gaurav Award from Gujarati Academy of Gujarat Government. She has presented herself in this country several times, Africa, Middle East, America. She is also my spiritual daughter. In 85 or 86, 85, a young lady came with another member, Sanjay Patel, and we have a column for artists. We wrote about her. She sang so well. She is also sang in the presence of my mother also, and even in my recent family tragedies in India, she has come to Baroda also. So when I telephone her, she is a very popular presenter. Ditesh, you would not know that she is in demand. I said, I would like to do a Mother's Day. She cancelled all her commitments, came here. She is not charging me single penny for it. Her caliber, they get the money they demand. She said, because I'm not working. And then everybody talks to us. So let us get on with the program. Thank you for coming. But these 3 artists, I haven't been interested. They were local, born, brought up and committed artists. You should know them. Mathurji, Gandaji, you and Parvati were very helpful. Haris Parvati. She's the best player. I won't talk about Virendra or Jitesh Bhai or Remy because I know it. I want to mention about 2 things. Manoj Ladwa is also another of my spiritual son, if I may say it this way. And I'm so happy, Mukesh Bhai, you got Hamletaka here. I know you have to tell some lies about it, but that was a good cause. Mukesh Bhai also is in his own way successful entrepreneur in Birmingham. He is also president of the temple there. Amrita, I am so grateful that you came also to Ansab, and I know you for so many years. I can talk about many. You know them. Anjo Jagni. Whether your mother is there or not. Think about it. People outside in the countries can never ever pay our debt properly. Thank you very much. Om Namah Shivaya.
છેલ્લું છે આપણે બુકનું વિમોચન કરવા માટે હું જીતેશભાઈ, વિરેન્દ્રભાઈ, રેમીભાઈને વિનંતી કરીશ. નંદકુમારજી પ્લીઝ આપ સ્ટેજ પર આવો. 5 મિનિટમાં પૂરું થશે ને પછી આપણે મહારેનો લાભ લઈશું પ્લીઝ.
Okay.
થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ. આપનો ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર. હું મિનિટો ચોરું છું, માફ કરજો. હું શ્રી કૃષ્ણ નથી અને દેવકીએ શ્રી કૃષ્ણ ભગવાનને જન્મ આપ્યો હતો, પણ જશોદામાં એનું લાલન પાલન કર્યું હતું. કદાચ આ ના ગમે તો મને માફ કરશો. જશોદામાં હું એ સેન્સમાં કહું છું કે ગુજરાત સમાજ એશિયન વોઇસમાં હું 12 વર્ષથી છું અને 12 વર્ષથી રોજ જે બપોરે હું આઈ એમ ઇન ગુજરાત સમાજ એશિયન વોઇસ ફ્રોમ લાસ્ટ 12 years. Before that I said that I am not Lord Krishna, but Mother Devaki gave birth to Krishna, but Jashoda Maiya raised Sri Krishna. I said that I am not Sri Krishna, but Jashoda Maiya was here. Might she will not like the gesture, but at this occasion, the whole team of ABTL would pay a respect, tribute to our mother, Pushpaben Patel. I am requesting all the ABTL members to come near stage, please. Thank you very much. બધા પ્લીઝ અહીંયા સ્ટેજ પાસે આવો ને જરા.
It's not her birthday, but Pushpa is always very shy. Kamal and everybody in the family, of his family, they think she's the mother also, Jitesh. So they plan completely in surprise. Pushpa is Saurabh family here. She's the elder sister of Pushpa. So I genuinely always say that also, that behind me, if I look young, reasonably handsome, successful, credit goes to Pushpa. My son was in Brighton because his daughter is playing for hockey. He came specially, he has to go out. Maybe we'll say a few words about your mom also.
I'll keep it very short because I know that you love to hear my words. I'm a terrible Hindu. You know, I can't speak Hindi. I love the Gita, but I don't believe in God. But my mother's taught me so many important things like duty. You know, I've given her only 2 good things, which are my grandchildren, but she's still always my mother. And this is to celebrate not just her, but also all the other mothers who are here or who aren't here. So I hope you all enjoyed my husband's lovely singing, and do excuse me if I have to leave a little bit.
Our managing editor, Srimati Jyotsna Ben's birthday is today. Just I am requesting Lord Gatia to give her bouquet. Please bear with few seconds here. Jyotsna Ben, please.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Music sang play. Baar baar dil aaye, baar dil aaye, aap jiyo hazaron saal, ye hamari hai arzu.
આપણે મધરની વાત કરીએ છીએ. આજે આપણી સાથે એક એવા મધર્સ છે કે એકલે હાથે 32 દેશોનો પ્રવાસ, લેડી 2 બાળકોની માં હોય, ગુજરાતણ હોય અને 32 દેશોનો પ્રવાસ, 32,000 કિલોમીટર, લંડનથી ઇન્ડિયા જવું અને બાય કાર જવું અને કોઈ જાતની હેલ્પ બીજા કોઈની નહીં લે, સોલો પોતે એકલા જ હોય કારમાં અને કદાચ હવે હેન્ડસેટ ફોન હોય એવા ભારુલતાબેન કાંબલે અત્યારે આપણી સાથે છે. હું લોર્ડ વિરેન્દ્રભાઈ શર્માને વિનંતી કરીશ કે સોરી, હું ભૂલી ગયો છું, આજે એમનો જન્મદિવસ પણ છે. અમે એમને સીબી કહીએ છીએ, એટલે કોઈને તુચકાર લાગે તો માફ કરજો. હું સીબીને ઘણી વાર પૂછ્યું કે તમે આ હેમલતાબેન કરો છો, કોણ છે, કદી મળાયું નથી. મારો પ્લાનિંગ હતું કે આવતા વીકે મળવાનું, નસીબ મારું આવી કે જોર કરતું હતું, એટલે આવી કે મારી લોટરી લાગીને હેમલતાબેનને મળવા હતા. હું સીબીને વિનંતી કરીશ કે એમને બુકે આપે પ્લીઝ.
પગની તકલીફ છે.
Mukesh, they have done so much for India that you know that Government Darwa was the campaign coordinator. Ahmedabad taught Gujarati in the school for very many years. શાસ્ત્રમાં લખ્યું છે કે સારા કામ માટે જૂઠું બોલાવે. મમ્મી ને મમ્મીને
સીબી હું
માતા થઈ જાય
સીબી પહેલા બુકે તો આપો. હું સીબીને વિનંતી કરીશ કે હંસાબેન ગઢિયાને બુકે આપે પ્લીઝ.
જાણવા જેવું છે કે અમૃતમાં ગયો તો મારો દીકરો પાછો ગયો વર્ષો પેલા ફંક્શનમાં, તો મારો દીકરો હતો ત્યાં જીસસ ઘડિયા મળી ગયા. એ બી મારો માનસ પુત્ર છે. અને આઈ નો હર હસબન્ડ કિશોરભાઈ, તમે તમારો મેક્સિમમ મને અનુદાન છે
છેલ્લું છે આ બુકે અને પછી સંગીત ચાલુ છે. સોરી, માફ કરજો. હું વિરેન્દ્રભાઈ શર્માને વિનંતી કરીશ કે હું નીચે આવું ને દોરી જાઉં, પછી ત્યાં અમારા વડીલ છે, ગુરુ છે, ટીચર તરીકે કાંતાબેનને બુકે આપવાનું છે પ્લીઝ. આ છેલ્લું છે.